One him say there was a hidden secret. You are, and no, your target is say evil near the actuality. But I didn't say evil, no so. We bet to be a one bia or one dear. Nimdian Biano, no come no one's had him. I didn't hear. If you say Japadian from Obibia, the young say Japadina, she may cram for so many also. Till me Christopher be brilliant to me on Bobra. When we are quite full, because the program of the mindset is say, or what have you. Yet the perception you when the people say, Obi Journey Freemason or your boy some. Obi Journey Okot or your boy some. Perception,
but that perception is it wrong?
But on no ordinary I never one wako. Say this will be the oh, we did Jesus here and never one cry.
And I would Jesus.
And no Jesus. No, so say Freemason or dear Tira and never one.
It was a more about 2 months. Let's say we first not really to ID more. Subscribe page me at the man. So me upload the answer now on Saturday to where is so program no abayi. Mr. Prophet Adonai wa me chen. Ah me no ba be di nkom. Me so be come on. Abraham wo di fo yakwaba abayi jumedi so. Prophet Adonai. Prophet. So penny bi enfo ni abeto Freemason for page so e wo Facebook. O share Freemason for atade. But no akasa pa I say sa video no AI no ni Freemason bi. Mama for di what that say bibia che say enye AI ayo da hon. But what for nothing Freemason won't say some adoso any secret in kuku ahodo a omoye rituals ye nyama ahodo and non pressure na was ten money. Prophet, will you agree? And I say, will you allow say we ba ko dom Freemason and as obi dom eyana?
Yeah, me da wase na wase mbisa. Me tia ahwefo mo hwe ensambre. Me mpa eboni so body yankopon ye obi bia koma so ebisa de ma no na ise ni din no. Also, penny be info in the tab on things or journey Freemason.
Yeah.
Okay. And then any Freemason.
Yeah. To the best of my knowledge, a cool uncle for dom. Our more emra. Any ritual somewhere.
And then yeah, sorry.
I saw see cool.
Intino. Yes, you can sing say. Young woman, near o trouble ni bia onu betwa ne de eden e wo so obi dwan Freemason so obi dwan occult so obi dwan Buddha so obi dwan any society bia nipa no hunu ko se eyema na odwan no eyono ligibie.
Okay,
but what am I say eyono ligibie onu ko dwan ne no say bibi papa bi nnu manu a kebu ananka wujai oko se na ese obi kwa asori okwa asori o onim se odi Kristo echi no na brabo se na ye kọ no ope nti na odi Kristo echi na obi sisi odwane secret society bi Freemason occult ne ne akeka ho a eye ono so ni gidie ni se ono so dwan ne na eden eboa no. Okay, I'm sure what they be. Brony or the Bible buy, or no one or the Freemason buy, or no one or the occult buy, or no one or the any secret society be a cuckoo that what bra, what tea and dear boom, and one or the identity. There was a secret behind Yamashon. So you say you win Yamashon, limit a young woman, yes, sonnet, a year far ahead. Eno na akase nipa behwe Bible so wu nokura na nokura no be widen wade wo nti aka nokura bi wo bebi ena ne ne nim se adwuma Kristo beye ne ne nia na pie ne pie do se ne pie. This already Hebrews chapter 6 verse number 1 na Paul ka se bi ho o se mo ma yemfa Yesu Kristo nkyerɛkyerɛ ne ntuo na yempem nkoye ni. It didn't in a poor casa. Paul himself, there was a hidden secret. You are, and no, your target is evil near the actuality. But I didn't say evil, no son. We bet to be a owo dia nimdie ho bia no bekom no was hadie adentia.
Say the things of this world.
Sana wakachiro. Nti wi ase japade en fe nko bebia. Me wi ase japade na me hwe me kra fa so be na wo so. Nti me Christopher bebri entumi ambobra. Omo ya akwadwefo. Because the program of the mindset is say okwa heaven. That's the concept. Okwa heaven. Nti no me ame ofa. Me adona me tie me ofa. Abekala pass. Those do titimbre no ne ohene nena. Abekain no ofa no those days na no hodin. Kase no hodin no hodin. Onu ohene ko wo mo nsase so na those land guard for no so no won so wo mo ani yede. Na wo behia wo. Oto no ofa ni tu a na nko. So no defend your hand, protect your hand in the bafi. No de ba afie wie no me mo abakwase wo. O de ba afie wie no hen hwe. The we yo no an kasa da no nka wo mienu ne nka wo mafi. O tum protect the man no hen hwa asase wo la pass. La pass. The man no of a hwe krom. Central region nkan. Asase no kura bi gu me kura ase kura ye ni made ade. Wo twa asase ama mo ha. Mo se ye ha ye nkran so wura nkwa. What was on pet? Me an offer. I see me, the tone of pepper also catch them pepper. You know one thing, the mindset, we are saying Japadi and Fem Kobibia. You probably no opportunity and then case to Bob Raja. But isn't it true, say, you're from Kobibia? Oh, the Koba, Baba be a show for show, Baba Baba be a show for show. And then the brave capital cities and as a capital town or one live in Ghana. No, what build that build the woman you hope you, but generation, and then they are being for their mom. Nipa be think cry, one more high die. Nipa crying, Nipa Papa Nabi or Bob Bran, on no one fanco, no banabeto, or no strong fanco. Obi Babeto, Bushiano. When ya at Yibia, Amma a Bushiano what June. Kumasifi be wa. No, what you won't call for to come see ye. But in the Yamia, no more hide. We share cities are Cassia, the mood die high expensive. Now, in the our generation, yet. But maybe about the new opportunity, a one when you must show you what. If you will be general, pay me a time also, advance in my tomb at the TBU. A honor. Oh my day, woman, a coin be at woman. They must show for Shunipa, even or him being can't tell say, you say Japadinia, Namishim cra, for so being a wash now more marble. The Bible can say, we are seeing Yamachimwa, a Yakasaqua, a Yabu. Mamma, I did be. Yabres the tenor, and you see Sukakana phone in you. In the do over 2 years or 2 for phone or Mia or book game or your baby about generation you want 2 years when you're dark when you're TV no a once in a community TV no once in a community Papa way with TV that time crown TV you know what you they are show line me ya no se we dware ana meboa ti mi ni kura no wonya dem to kwa na nkasa na mu nipa be 100 na mu gine mu na mo hwe ne hobi a term is no more never be you because of phone na kuta everything in this world the phone to me also in the deep villages ni kura na activity there won da wo menye bia hwe no be kwa ebu ho ana meboa in that generation they had a trend. The Bible can say we are seeing we never became one. As often she didn't ye. As I say, no, you will never let your shoe. Like how this word was created. And Yamino be one inside. To me, Makana be said me. It's a revelation say, if you ask anybody about second, telling them, then I hear you when the pipe you. Then if I bring to me, Bobra. First, never patricotum deck. Cassette and kakrakabi. Would you see Kokro? Now, those that said that record will be them. So you be particular. And then it's open. One day they said that condition was as soon open. Why? All man is also no of an arm, can no job be good. Men come as man. A buyer by CD, a share DVD. A buyer who will be a winning packet. And then it's open. What do you day? Team Naban, you be a woman. Send the young papa to Tosho, with a son any time. The word was the Bible can say, we are swimming never became one. It's not about say the reaction when the ever says, and you are shockingly a programming a barrier, the woman and the farmer, the party be timid. No, it's not that way. I tell you the gospel truth. Do your research. We could have Bible, we have never been charged for. Now my trust scriptures are we be putting that. But relation to Genesis to Revelation in here with the same Bible, the only you need but the Bible back before you someone the Bible might say heaven God will put it as no one and our but the program we are doing to the state say no African being until you are Christ and one Africa and you actually take the opportunity no
but Odifo, also was submission on Emudaho. Yeah, and I wouldn't like to argue. But for the benefit of your viewers, no more feeling. So we can say, Bruni or the Bible need prayer,
or none of the
Freemason by
or none of the offer to buy.
I know the people would like to find out how do you know because who drew arbitrary now and you be a any Freemason.
I always say, call your country be an nation, or mind be our nation. So, I say, call that teachings in or mind be our nation. Your mind be actually 2026. Or mind be our yes, or more will cry far. Yan the man, 2026. Yeah, America, UK, Canada, you won't be called 5 slaves, one and 2026. But Israel now, you're down. And year 2026 now, Iran in year 2026. Check, do your research. What must I say? On my beer will show a dish on my menu. So America from the statue of liberty. I represented by a wine statue. Or China, Dragon God, so I present one. One more caution, one more caution. Call Japan, call India. Do your research about all these countries, but they are all development countries. Why us? Young baby, I acquire it. We are saying Japan from Kobe. What the hell? Now, why is someone near my ye? Overcop, Baba bread. Or when you foundation, think, future, plan.
It's a prophet.
Protect your children spiritually, physically.
So which him say, Bruni or de Bible ne prayer no. Bruni Conan a day
on one of the Freemason buyer. On one of the opportunity buy.
Say Freemason church. There
was
that thing.
I'm sure. Even the Bible. I hope say program we are here. I shall for the Bible program we be.
The party.
From Matthew chapter 11, verse number 29. If I'm not mistaken, I do your research, you find it in the Bible. Bible scriptures. No, I can say, the same Bible about the Bible scriptures in the I didn't hear.
Yeah,
I didn't hear. I didn't think I can't be here for. Your wife dream of inside to be a worker now, brain. Manage to be a shame, also learn apart. Practice that for 30 days. You see yourself. And from now on, the purpose spiritual father be to guide you. Now, when we say, I did be a person with your wife as to be able to hear. One, we pay for being a be some. Oh, sorry, and a pound did the young castle beyond per dining. Oh, papa, mirror what they be empty, only shown the woman, empty bottle, festival. Also, on the baby, tenacity, a memo beyond distracted, not young, as I say. They say, one way say, who was also push? Who do you say? Obey your first day. It was not to name of them. men fen kwesi baby a washo fan fesi baby a wo say mfa man fa ho me pese o practice na wo ne wu obeye ni se bi wo mofo wo de yetu ahwe within 30 days wo ye ni se better brown wo ye ni se bi say man so afọ wo yes in your own but obeye spiritual bath cleanse your shoe cleanse your send us 51:7 kind.
Okay, but Odifo, who also can say there are benefits to these societies. Who say to the best of women, there's a reason for Christians and there's a reason to join Buddha and all that. You know, Buddha say you be mine. Yeah, you know, you were also no one also be our one in fast day and about here. It would you add it into the fact that say BB was some earthly value. I was say forget about spiritual value and maybe eternity value. No focus on I did wait for 20 years, 30 years. Because many West war, you have brought us one man. What we took uncle Benny. No acquire quantity be akoda amenemu for some days or papa. No, I talk her. The more can you say? Any power me a child 70 years. No crown, we 40 that. On Santana, some better 30 years view. No, I call Gina number. Within 1 year, we see fee what cast or transit 10 years time pano. In fact, you now open when you're the gentleman or the gentleman. Is that what you are campaigning?
And I'm not campaigning that. But what I'm trying to tell you is, so we were all caught to one. All come in year money into our quadrant. Only Lordino. We say, oh, no, much more than who could share that one. Not no one could share. And young men about Kato say, I don't know what could share your bonnet. We say, we are not with the but only first year on you. Yamaka don't tell us here. And let me tell you something. There was a secret there. If you see world leaders, they are all under these societies. Big world leaders, president of our world. Intino, Shalono. Who say only the anya? Obey to me the number about the woman, obey this and this. It will be born by me, a Christian, be Jesus. Jesus should be the leader. Right? Then I should be me. And then I should be back to a man. I have to follow the steps of Christ. Because I don't know, sure what I'm not many and the many give you a fellow say, some of them who told us that the diabo. No mediano. I didn't know what a boom. Pay baby or prepare. I didn't
hear. Empire and Kwana or Yenny also.
There was something else with the support. It's not usually framing dinner sembrano. Case you should think and not bomb by say nitty. But you should say was so creative and meaningful for at the money pan. It's not fun, it's not ordinary show fry or the ye meaningful for some kind. Uncle shooting a ya baby Africa, yes, a motion or team. Yes, you should catch them as uncle. The minimum. Nipan quite so Yarisana with Yarisa. I didn't hear. There was power in nature. Then I used to try and say, Yamia Bodiano, ye didn't the chino. Yamia Bodiana, a nature, and a yellow. You be yeah, you be to me. Yet I had directions. There will be a special dialogue in it. But me and Haba baby, I would be your best in this idea never tiako. You will be a lower boca. You will have me. When you say no Bible, Bible says, Senka, Mushum ye trained to the book of mighty. We say, oh, I didn't know you are rejecting me. I say, Abambia, a bosom, will be a Tabambia, a comfort, will be a Tabambia, and Fiame. But who will be pressure? Where a card you need secretary with your pa, will be over in Tuncha, but I'm in Tommy Messiah. And I will do a friend 4-in-1 herbal tea. 4-in-1 herbal tea, we have been a physical protective brain and wakoma and no liver, and mount your kidney problem. A book say or party who buy man who knew how. I didn't hear. Nature na yen ya rejecting any need ama nipa abra boye kasa bebre. You be o be ma selepe na ogu nkwasia. ɔsɛ ɔboa no a na wɔbu no kwase adentia ebi wɔ hɔ a na hyɛhyɛ bi di w'akyi ɛbɔ nipa go sɛ di w'akyi ɛbɔ nipa go yɛwɔ haban bi te sɛ susumasa taame ewu nyanya saa haban yɛn sɛ wobɛka bɔ wobɛsi wɔ abɛwura na bɛposa fɛdwira ho bɛyɛ 7 days and 21 days but ebi ukra da so biara na wode yɛfunu bɛto at least bɛyɛ 1 hour before fasting abɛdeclare ma na hwɛ sɛ obi bɛbu kwase wɔ abrabɔ mu biwa wotem ahyɛ ni sɛ ɛde nti na ɔkɔt baeɛ the meaning of ɔkɔt wo sɛ kyerɛkyerɛ bɛn adeɛ a ɛkyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ hidden things a yɛde asi a yɛmpɛ sɛ wobɛhu ɛna yɛnya group bi a wɔmanya sɛ nimdie na wɔmde kyerɛkyerɛ wɔmde bɔbrɛ wɔn abrabɔ ɔsɔre ɛkɔ n'anim do the research about yɛn mpanyinfoɔ ma bɔbrɛ oni so freemason mu a ɔwɔ ɔdwani society bi ti wo bɔbrɛ na abɛfo ɔso mo eyi ebi mo nenam 78 maame kyerɛ youth na ɔba na yɛpere yɛn ho apesika wakɔ beni wakɔ dam ni wakɔ da fundake everything na yɛ 2 ways akwan ne yɛ mmienu yɛwɔ nyame mu akwan a wobɛyɛ tam the new but yɛdi bi a obɛdi bi a yɛ mmerɛ wɔ yo nyamesom yɛ mmara nyamesom ti sɛ wakɔfo obi yere nti wo bɔbra na yɛ na ɔta wodi nkɔfo yere kyerɛ wobɛgu nyam wosu yɛ kristo ni nkɔ bosom bia so nkɔ malam bia so nkɔ dwan ni society bia nkɔ dwan ni ɔkɔto bia wosum nyame pɛpɛpɛ kwasiebu obi agya padeɛ na kiki na wɔgye wona wo sika wobɛgu ɛne so yɛ kristofo bebree ɛsan bɔne nti a wɔdedi wɔn nnuane mu nti no wɔn yɛ den wɔn so wɔn hwere wɔn kwasa nea boys wɔn tutu kwankwa gyegyegye nduro ne ade wɔn mu wia nti abrabɔ no ɛyɛ nokoredi pɛrepɛre yɛ fɛdi w'ani na huwa kwan ebi ɔkɔpɛ wɔn a difoɔ malam kɔnfoɔ anybody a wɔn gyidie kyerɛw a wɔkɔpɛ mmoa wɔ ne hɔ no na wɔbɛkyerɛ wɔn foro
okay
ɛne yɛ deɛ baako a ɛha nipa yɛn sɛ yɛ ahadideɛ nyɛ o ɛyɛ bɔnsam ahadideɛ yɛ ɔkɔt but yɛwɔ mpanifo bi ma wɔn atrem so many years a wɔn anyi nkura sen kristo ni bi a ɔgye ne ho di ɔsi asodɛm anapa ewia ahomakye bibie ne ɔna ɔyɛ kɔnkɔn
basɛ odifo sɛ president adwani ku sikani bi dwani ku a ɛno nkyɛ sɛ kristo ni so dwani sɛ ku
nyame kyerɛ no ekuo ni yɛ ahodoɔ
yeah because the moment freemason
yɛde perception yɛ wura nipa mu sɛ obi dwani freemason ɔyɛ bɔnsam obi dwani ɔkɔtɔ ɔyɛ bɔnsam sɛ perception no
but that perception is it wrong
akyɛ ɔno na ɔde ne ho sɛ aha na ɛbɛboa no wakɔ sɛ ne sɛ obi di no so medi jesus akyire a ɛna ɛbɛboa me kra
ɛna wodi jesus
akyire no so sɛ freemason odi akyire a ɛna ɛbɛboa no
but freemason ɛbɛtumi aboa nipa kɔsi da bɛn
akyɛ na wo bɛka ne sɛ freemason bɛtumi aboa nipa kɔsi da bɛn yɛwɔ freemason nso bɛka sɛ na kristo nso bɛtumi aboa nipa kɔsi da bɛn
ne ma kyerɛ no no kristo ni na kyerɛ no baabi ɛbɛkɔdu
ɔno nso freemason no wura bi ɔno nso wɔ secret bi a ɛkyerɛ ne sɛ wodi akyire a de wobɛkɔ akɔsi a na wagye atom
okay
wo kristo so wɔ reason anayɛ saa na ne ɔkɔ freemason nso wɔ ne reason nti kristo sɛ yɛma ne nyanya dɛn mbom na yɛ dɛn ɛyini sɛ yɛte ase a nea ɔyɛ muslim bɛyɛ ne muslim nea ɔyɛ kristoni bɛyɛ ne kristoni nea ɔyɛ ne freemason bɛyɛ ne freemason nea ɔyɛ ne dɛndɛn bɛyɛ ne deɛ obiara nyɛ ne deɛ wɔ ne kwan so
ba odifo sɛ woka ne sei a ekristofoɔ no wɔ gyidie bi sɛ yɛasom ɔmo sɛ ɔmo kɔ wiasafo no nyinaa na ɔmo ka nyame asɛm
perfect
nti sɛ a ne yɛasom ɔno akɔto obi a ɔwɔ ebia na ɔdwa na ɔkɔte no wobɛka so bible sɛ yɛngya wo mu na afifi nti yɛngya no nso ne freemason sɛ ɔbɛka kristo ho asɛm akyerɛ
a wamba ntɛm a ɔbɛsi yɛ dikanfoɔ obi baabi na akɔnfoɔ ɔgorɔ yɛ den ɔno wɔn yɛ den ɛgorɔ
sɛ potential ɔno mo gu na sɛ ɔno mo gu bi
perfect wokɔka wo nyame so yɛwɔ adansefoɔ no wabɛyɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ
da amaba
ɔbɛwu wo fufuo kɔ ɔbɛwɔ ama adentia ɔno ne message a ɔde yɛ den ɔde ba nti sɛ woka sɛ ɔnda fam na tietia ne so ɔbɛyɛ den
ɔbɛda
because onim sɛ ba ɛna ɔwuro wɔtie wo nti wo so bɛyɛ den betie nti ko no bi ye Freemason wo wo nkyerɛkyerɛ nyɛ ko a ja Freemason no wobɛkɔ bɔ nsam dem wanka oba ja Christosom no bɛkɔ wobɛwu sanity nti yɛte Nyamesomɔ se a hwɛ nea bɛma obi anya adanse a wo sɛ Bible sɛ wo mo ehu nsɛnkyerɛnne ne awade wo mo di ndu ne boa okay yare ahodoɔ ahokyere ahodoɔ ɛna ama nipa tu ana mo ani so tu ana mɛboa nti for ne sɛ wo sum Kristo obi te wo no so ɔdwani society bi ɔwo sɛ wo a wo sum Kristo no wo te pa ɛne na bɛ convince no wabedu chi ebi wa na say society no so wo so wo mensa bo wo sɛ nyama na ya nipa tag wo bɛkom na we ho kyere na we ɔwɔ contract bi ɔbɛtum di amawo a wo yɛ ne member no because member na bi wo na mbra bi wo sɛ yɛ train nipa train member me te sɛ wo say wo society bi kwa wo na wo court na judge no ti wo no ma wo njeru da
wow
ɛwɔ Ghana ya ba yɛ Christopher yɛ me ado na me be senkom na sike so wo de same Christo na yɛ di n'akyi no me ma senkom ambem wo so wo de same Christo na akyi wo ba me twa bɔ me tete ne nti sɛ Muslim imam ni imam ko social media inde kra me say down
by default I think say enkofo mo condemn mo no they are not really believers
enti no ya na so ya den ewum me say Bible quotation o say yamani nyambo mi that scripture na me debasa enti no do your part for Christ mo no so gidie na owo no so mfanya ne de mimi ntumi mgwa watan ni Yesu na de ne ndia ona end of the over bed
tembuafo no
ba odi so say nipa ne dum pempenso bi na to your own understanding who be say wo gina ha nti ona megina ha bi na enya wo bu nothing e be din so betumi convince na obedi Christ.
Okay, Orifo, who can say a Christopher na brabo no the way I know because of nimdie bi omo dream heaven. And now me look say the richest man in the world. Oyo Christoni. Which are the title ma Pastor Chris, or Pastor Chris, sorry. But the world richest man. Sir, I do we know won't hasn't it changed the way I working for a Christopher?
Maybe morning
they be say yeah, omo dream heaven won't you know. And we are seeing the man for but the world richest man is
Ghana is kenikesi bi wa. I say otisa man for kan wa to be say eh nti ya me na wo kan wa say. Also no nyoni nyame ko ni say na soroko omu say wo mo title ncheche wo mu nti no de shey ni say oni nyame kwapam e wo title Ghana ya no oni nyame kwapam say ya person bi tua title to mu one nipa ni hira nipa na na kwapam nti ono e pa ni title tua nipa ni won dwuma wo radio stations but they be a target say o court or ton cocaine or nyamabone ne oti bi kra no kra ron tias they be almost or da or doing business bi o so create enemy na dwen no bi so o court also no court ko nim na de ban and so they are target nti akwa say Africa there o bobra ni nyame peja wa
obi elia
na they target nti mo ani ya okọ Pastor Chris Asori a wo kin so ye the world billionaire
yeah
we kra na okọ aso ne kra na to bi kra go we aso ne cover up I say question the come
because I'm a Ukraine Pastor Chris e kan ya anka ne Africans be nim say the world richest man okọ Pastor Chris
me say we kra wa kin obeka so de aso ne kra cover up the akwese nyame no ntumi shira so we show the perception of Christianity in Africa just say nka we so for kra de anka de bia wo si wa kye oba otai emia opampi na hu fifiri na wa yepoto na Bible show mutu o ye pastor na drive hey o de asoro mesika toka o ye pastor uti na fie hey asoro mesika no akwase ashofo de bibia no nka wo mu deserve any good thing na moreover minim say fie ashofo cause before we say hey mfinyame we mfinyame kwa ya nyame fa so frɛ Moses Yes, I quite no fast for Abraham. Yes, I quite no fast for Joshua. Yes, I quite no fast for David. Until we are short for so you fra. Be no more by ya give my wow, and now before Bernard I shall come on finger me not begin over but say, but Bernard they sending come. Yes, you know, so the sending come now to so now we hope.
But if Tim say, I saw for now or yet, Sir Azan, or more no defend it as answer for. Or no same come no ambim. Into Bernard say an ambim. My mammy quite different name would say, we are good people. Ono se ne nkom na mbem ama Ghana food na tema etino we Ghana food so so for na ono se na mbem no otumika no command support no wo share nipa na
Isaiah kweshe ohene Ezekiel nko se nyame se me meka njo se yom samanse Ezekiel no obi na nyame ode prophet ni maza na okaka kiro hin David ana Isaiah akaka kiro no oko na we akura ase abese nyame se or the 15 years account on film into a so on Cadangera.
But I think it's a
Isaiah
second time say
second time
also can
say Yamisi Yamini Isaiah cannot Okakasa no him no hobby. On the Casa first no him no Oko your son by because he can know him no. At then Emma would say Isaiah no crana no can. Yana not you know the choirs idea.
Between Hen and Isaiah, Debbie, the comes and Nicoman, no, him say a yampa.
On him.
Send it,
I had to name come no share, and your share no news to him there.
Or not as I can say, with the atro.
Rebecca,
Eben, I better patch us a feeling.
Why send come? Honest, I bet come. Nah, I'm being. Into another say, come no share, not nothing, they say.
Jesus comes and
I am interview launch it you. By any prophet I don't know condemn. They only yummy and then say or the night dream never say I don't know people who want that.
There is a man like Bernard the bet say
for shop one. So yam fa sweet pejawa yampere. She's a woman. So when kwanya nyambe faso yo odo wudi mbe page be tre wo wiase afana nya yempere o se o abofra ketie bi abehye nkoma o gidinti me so ado na me wo nyame dwuma ne mache e den na abofra ketie de o hye nkom na amanfo de ni de o me so mbe ye bibi na me so mbe bibi obi se me so no o be gi ni ngwase nti hu be bia wo gina me hu be bia wo ko and the one we do what I own. Nipanyashi. The Yama be a cassati, you be a cassatia. Nti obi, no sembana waka. No washing ye. If for be our ocean, my dear coach, we are some commission, which is a young kid. You call them a tena catch them with some commission now almost channel. We got another commission. But we are done commission. Mangangelo. Because we shall come try now. We the different now could be saying and commission or saying like a car. But what I from two and from one funny jawas and more.
What do you want?
Obi any abri nam beni Burkina ni ade atwema lamfo ni ade cantas ba ahodo ni ade ugina wase wa twero book dia hye nkom. Oba dia nkopon obi ambobo.
What if people say only a casafa in no na you how are you bit na connected?
Yeah, e me prophet ado na me tongo. Ba yare bi ade na masasi so no. Udu mahwe ya ubenya yaresa. We ye bam ena dompe ba ti ena Catholic ena sciatica about obi a wo dompe me hawo se okotodwe se wasra sinti na twetwon se spinal cord na mu ya se wo de dompe me hawo bia se wanya accident ifo na your father de hye oni pedue mu kwa de osoro nti ubenya yaresa we so diabetes about se wo de na type 1 na type 2 onye bi no ma ebetu ase wo se diabetes ni eduro ebibiduro no ya ni bia wo de na masasi so Bible says ndi bia ba fa hansa yare ubenya wa yaresa when we find about to share about we be no ma be kin so be sore tia obebo obi be tu oduro obenya we anti age about when say my one be no me go say me say on skin be to so ni ade foreign drugs in the ground no ma later no na ɛsan sɛ nipadua no na wonye binom a ɛyɛ organic nti ɛma nipadua no ahoɔden ɛmfa nsunsuanso bɔne bia nsa mbra wo bio we faucet activation healing body soul power and PT2 black tea wonye binom a ɛyi mfi wo mu ɛma ɔnam a wahu sɛ okra na aba ne ho so ɛma wakokuduro sonko ɛma nipadua no nam wesu yɛ cardio ne secretary obi a wo big pressure wonye binom a ɛbɛsa yare ama kama we stop drinking about you obuhwani bi a ɔnom nsa paa onye binom a subetwa ɛna we stroke about tea wodo obuhwani bi a stroke aka na to onye binom a ɔsoro nti ɔbɛsɔre ɛna obi a ɔkakra bi ase ana sa kyem ne nsa yɛ tititi onye binom ne ntine mesi ne mu bebie bi kama ɛna we stomach ulcer about tea so de na yɛ ulcer 1 ulcer 2 onye binom a ɛbɛtu ase we detox nipadua no ama efi bi ewo sane ɛna we dream services obi a woda wo nso dae ɔsɛ me so dae na bi efi adae so kyerɛ sɛ okra no etumi sɔre anen sɔre tu obi a woda wo nso dae a ɛyɛ big problem ɛnyɛ ma wo tu ba ma wo so wonye bi no ma ya wo kin wadae so no me ni ntɔn aduro mi sayare sɛ wo kidney problem yare bia wo de doctor aya abre Udu prophet adona ahwɛ ɔsoro nti benya ya research ɔbɔ yankopɔn bi ni abrabɔ no nya yɛmfa yɛni hu dɔ hye ne yɛdi ni ti abrabɔ no baase na wanbɔ bra nsan na wanfa nkɔhyɛ ofie bosom ofie bɛyie uma obi bɛyɛ wa egyina wo so obi nyɛ wa egyina wo so na mbɔ bra na mbɔ bra nsan na later mmɛmɛko obi agya pade a wa bere nya ho ti abrabɔ no baase na ne yɛ wo de an fadi so ɔbɔ yankopɔn hye obi bia no obi bia koma so ebisade ma no ne nhyɛ de de ni
Odivo medase.
Atira yɛ wadi yankopɔn.
It was a many prophet Adonai Edin Komono. I didn't say this is the beginning of Yesusumu discussions a person here. Na me said the next one Anabesh actually say which a prophet contact to us you no person de kasa. Franabo aso na woni no Edin Komo. Mediani CK subscribe to Jeremy Adomani Spame. Say na me upload answer on celebrate maka we a spiritual program. Makara.